Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to start up with the simulation tape, which is over here. Now, if you don't find this option, just click on Add-in and make sure you have check on this option. Right now, I have a steel beam and let me simulate this beam. When I click on simulation, you have to click on the new study. You have a lot of options. Right now, I will only study the static one. Now you have to apply certain material. Apply any random material that you want. Now in Texture Eraser, you have to fix this beam from some view. I want to fix this beam from this stage. Now I want to apply a certain mode. Click on External Mode Eraser. We have a lot of options. Let me apply a certain force. Click anywhere where you want to apply. Let me choose this edge for now. Click on selected direction and choose this edge that I want to be perpendicular to this edge. Put the value and I will say OK. Do nothing except just go for the run this study. It will take a while, and after that you will see my beams is deflected like this by applying 120 Newton load. Now this is the one my stress. If you want, you can just animate this. Right click and click on the animate. See? Stop it for now. Release the motion. And now see. Now this red region shows you here we have the correct chances. If you want to check the displacement, just double click over here. Now this is the displacement graph. Right click and animate. Hopefully you understand. So let's see in next tutorial.